everyone, this is Manshu Gali. This is my English YouTube channel. From today onward, I want to dedicate my English YouTube channel to my biggest interest and hobby is psychology. Inside the psychology, I would like to talk about conscious and subconscious mind and use this beautiful method called Master Kit. It's originally from Kazan, Tatarstan, Russia. They are now in the US, international company, and I'm using this method every day from year 2018. Especially this year, I started to use every day from month February. And I want to share with you with my own examples how it works, and maybe it helps you too. And if you have any questions about Master Kit and you want to know more, please send me comment, leave me comment, or go to my Instagram page and send me personal message. Okay, let's go to the example. We have all kind of dreams and wishes, right? And I have my wishes and dreams too. But what I realized by using Master Kit, and maybe we all know about it, that every dream, every your goal or wish is not actually attached to the amount of money that you can buy that wish for. For example, I want to travel to the US, I want to see America with my own eyes, I want to go there as a tourist. But I always say, if I want to go to the US, I need, let's say, 40,000 ringgit for 2 people to travel there for 1 week or 10 days. And always, this is an example, we always attach amount of money. And it's easy to say that, okay, I didn't go to the US until now because I didn't have this 40,000 ringgit. It's easy to leave your responsibility to the money, that I don't have the money. Or maybe if I really badly want to go to America, maybe I went there already yesterday, yeah? So let's come back to the question. Is it really your wish, or is it something that you just want but you don't really want? I mean, like society or your friends or someone, you heard that they went to the US, and if you go to the US, you are the cool person, and it is like connected with your self-esteem. So this is not really your wish. So you need to change this wish to the personal wish, like I want, not because someone else want for me, or because this dream come up from the result of the society told me, but it's my wish, you know. In order to change it to my wish, there is already simulator in Master Kit used. It's called My Wishes, where you have to follow their instructed videos how to do it, and then you will turn your unhealthy wish to the healthy wish. So when your dream turn to the healthy wish, so you want to go to the US because it's you want to see the country yourself, then it has nothing to do with the money. It's really true. It has nothing to do with money, because when you realize that why you want to go to the US, yeah, why you want to travel there, what do you want to see, which state, which city, which location or place you want to go, where you want to go, where you want to stay, what do you want to see. If you look at it if you write it down and really realize this is really your healthy, your purpose or your goal or your dream, money will come to your life itself. You don't need to connect with the money. Money will come itself. As long as if you don't have any subconscious thoughts about this wish, if you don't have any negative subconscious thoughts, for example, if I go to the US, then I will be tired, I will get lost, it's like waste of money. These thoughts, those subconscious thoughts that in our mind, always working in our mind, this is the reason why you didn't go to the US until now. This is just my example. You have your own subconscious thoughts that's stopping you to achieve your dream. Sometimes, like I said earlier, this is not your dream. It's maybe not healthy dream. It's a dream. You get it from your friends or from the community, from the people. Maybe it is not your dream, but you can change that not your dream to your healthy dream. And by in order to do that, in Master Kit, we use this simulator, my wishes, and follow the instructions. So you have to remove all those subconscious thoughts, the thoughts that you have found. Like just I said earlier, negative thought that if I go to the US, I will waste a lot of money. If I go to the US, I will get lost. If I go to the US, it's not safe. So you have to change it. You have to put it under question. Is it really not safe in America? Is it really waste of money if you travel to the US and you have never been there? When you put it under question, all those negative thoughts, and write it down, or you can just give a thought. You don't have to write it down if you don't like writing. And then if you change it, if you remove those negative thoughts, if you really ask yourself, is it really true? If I go there, I will get lost and I will be tired. So if you really put it under the question and remove one by one all your subconscious negative thoughts, when your healthy dream will just say, okay, I want, and I allow myself to go to the US as a trip, then money will come itself. It will come to you itself, and your dream will come true. So I hope my example was clear, but if you have any questions and you didn't understand what I was talking about, please leave me a comment. Thank you for listening, and see you soon.